Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Apple Cash has funds and your Apple ID is verified. This matters because transfers require a linked bank. Next, link the same US bank account or an eligible debit card to PayPal. This creates the bridge. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is active on both accounts to reduce holds or reversals. You'll be moving money off Apple Cash into your bank first, then into PayPal. That sequence is the only supported path. Next, transfer Apple Cash to your linked bank or debit card. You open Wallet, tap Apple Cash, pick Transfer to Bank, and enter the amount. Choose Instant Transfer for immediate debit card deposits. Expect about 1% fee, or the standard one 3 business days for no fee. Once initiated, note the estimated arrival time. PayPal can only pull from your bank after the funds clear. If you used Instant Transfer, the bank post happens quickly, so you can link that account to PayPal without waiting long. Finally, add and verify the same bank account in PayPal. You go to Wallet, select Link a Bank, and complete micro-deposit verification if PayPal requests it. This confirms ownership and prevents limits. Once PayPal shows the bank as verified and the transferred Apple Cash funds are available, use PayPal's Add Money feature or initiate a bank-to-PayPal transfer. If something goes wrong, check for holds, ensure account names match exactly, and retry only after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.